There's the bubbles, Misha. You see the bubbles coming out? Though, right there is your leak. That's the first leak. We're gonna see. Now we're gonna try the second leak. Go ahead. You see the bubble rising? That means there's your leak. There it goes. See? So that's your first leak.
Okay.
We checked everywhere else. So
no,
far,
yet,
it looks
not
alright.
yet. We have the bottom still.
We're gonna try the bottom now.
Because here's another one. This here.
It could have been that it just came down, but we don't know.
Quite possible.
Spray right there again.
Follow me with the camera.
I am.
Still the same thing here. Right there, still the same way. That's just fine. Here's fine. Here's fine. Right there.
See, there it is coming out again. So right now it looks like it's just that one.